So in today's video, I'm gonna be going over my Supreme week 3 pickup, and then also I'm gonna show you some of the shoes I've gotten in within the past week that are worth showing. So make sure you stay tuned for the whole video to see everything I picked up and some of the items. I'm gonna tell you how I was able to get them, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. And also, please leave a like on this video. I'd also appreciate it. And now, let's see what I picked up. So I'm gonna start off by showing you my week 3 Supreme pickup, and it was the black S logo beanie. And if you haven't seen this S logo beanie for this season, it has like ice over the top of it and at the bottom, so it's pretty cool. And I got this because I looked at StockX and I saw all the black colorway S logo beanies hit $100 at some point, so decided to get this. I'll probably forget about it, and I'm just gonna hold on to it till it hits $100. So hopefully it does, just like all the other beanies, so that's why I got it. And I had someone in the Discord group I'm in bought this for me. I probably could have got this manual, but I kind of wanted to go back to bed, so I just had him bought it for me, and he was able to cop it for me, so that was really cool. And if you don't know, I'm in the Discord group Chef Society. I highly suggest all of you to go join it. I'll put an invite link into it down in the description of the video. And they run slots, and if you don't know what those are, that's where you give them your information and they use their bot and try to get you the shoe or the Supreme item or whatever you want, and you pay a small fee after. And all I'm gonna say is their pay after success fees are definitely some of the lowest out there. I've been in multiple groups that offer slots, and theirs are by far the cheapest, so make sure you go join them. I'm friends with a lot of them in there, and they all cook, so some of those shoes are from them. And for next week's pickup video, some of the items from there are also from Chef Society slots, so make sure you go join it. Like I said, I will put the link in the description of the video, so make sure you go check them out. And now onto the shoe pickups. Now moving on to the shoe pickups, and the first one I got, nothing too major, but still a really nice shoe, and it's the Jordan 6 in the hair colorway. And this is a grade school shoe, and I bought these because I was able to get them for $140 shipped. And if you don't know, these go for around $175 to $200 in this size. So guaranteed money. Worst case scenario, I make $10 to $15, but more than likely I'll make at least 20 plus on them. So had to cop these. Easy brick flips. So if you don't know, I do brick flips quite a bit, and I've made a video about them. So if you want to check it out, I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. So that is my first sneaker pickup. Now on to the next one. Now here's the next shoe pickup, another brick and Jordan box, size 7.5, Jordan 1 low, so that's a pretty good size. And it was the Jordan 1 reverse breads. I got these in a 7.5. I also had a size 9.5 of these, but I sold them right before making this video. And I also got these in Chef Society. So one of the people in there, Yams is his Discord name, he was able to cook these for me on a restock, so shout out to him. I'll put his Instagram in the description, and I'll also put it up on the screen. I highly suggest you all go follow him. He drops crazy steals on all the shoes he sells, so make sure you go follow him, and shout out to him for cooking me these. Hopefully he'll be able to cook me more of these in the future. So that is the next shoe pickup. Now on to the next. All right, the next shoe pickup is a Yeezy, and these honestly aren't the best Yeezys, but still a Yeezy pickup. So here's the Yeezy itself. It's the recently released Yeezy Refills. I think that's how you say the name, but not really doing too well right now. Hopefully they'll hit 300 in a couple months. This is a size 12, so not the best size, but hopefully in the next month or two they'll hit 300 and I'll be able to sell them for like $10. So easy pickup. My mom copped these on the Adidas app, so you can't return them, so might as well just hold on to them and make that $10 to $20 once they hit 300. So that is the next pickup. Now on to the last one, and that is the best shoe, so let's get right into it. All right, so here's the last shoe pickup. It is the best shoe. As you can see, Jordan 1 high box, and these are a size 6.5, so this is a grade school shoe. And I was also able to get this in Chef Society. Someone hit these for me on a slot, so shout out to them. And here's the shoe itself. It's the Jordan 1 in the biohack colorway, and I didn't know the materials of this were all nubuck because I haven't held these in hand yet. I just opened the box when I got them just to make sure they were the shoe I ordered, and I haven't really held them since then. So first time holding these in hand. It's like completely nubuck, so it's kind of weird. I don't really like nubuck, so not my personal favorite, but still a really nice colorway. Hopefully these will go up in value in the future. Got a size 6.5, so that's a pretty good size. And maybe I'll sell these around the holidays. This is more of like a fall colorway shoe in my opinion. So nice little yellow tongue, these are pretty cool. So that is it for all my pickups. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that is pretty much it for today's video. Next week's pickup video is gonna be crazy, so highly suggest all of you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. I have a ton of pickups and you definitely won't wanna miss that. But that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel down below. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.